Hello, this is Somajit and welcome to my channel. You all know that the Olympic Games 2020 is going on in Tokyo after a year's postponement. The Olympic Games was scheduled to start in 2020, but due to the COVID pandemic, it was postponed and now it's happening in 2021. Hence, it will be called Tokyo Olympics 2020. Here are some information that you may need to know about Tokyo Olympic 2020. While Tokyo has been awarded the games for the third time, they hosted the Olympics only once in 1964, and this is the second time that the Japanese capital is going to host the largest sporting event on the earth. Tokyo was scheduled to host the 1940 Summer Games as well, but it was moved to Helsinki due to the war breakout between Japan and China in 1937. Later on, the games were cancelled because of the Second World War. The emblem of the Tokyo Olympics 2020 is called Harmonized Checkered Emblem. It is designed by a Japanese designer, Asao Tokolo. The emblem is a circular pattern composed of three varieties of rectangular shapes in indigo blue. They represent different countries, cultures, ways of thinking. It also incorporates the message of unity in diversity. The emblem was first designed by Kenjiro Sano, but this logo was discarded due to the accusation of plagiarism. Though Kenjiro denied stealing the logo, the organizing committee said that there were too many doubts over the emblem for it to be used. So they finally decided the logo designed by Asao Tokolo to be the final emblem of the Olympics 2020. The motto of the Tokyo Olympics 2020 is United by Emotion. This is a message to distill the game's vision into a few words. The motto expresses the hope that the people across the globe will come together and understand that there is more that unites us than divides. The Olympic mascot of Tokyo Olympics 2020 is named as Mirai Toa. The mascot is designed by a Japanese designer Ryo Taniguchi. It is a figure with blue checkered patterns and inspired by the game's logo. The name is a combination of two Japanese words, Mirai, which means future, and Toa, which means eternity. The name is chosen to represent the wish that the games will lead to a future full of eternal hope in the hearts of the people all over the world. Games venues will be spread into two themed zones. The two zones are named as Heritage Zone and the Tokyo Bay Zone. And the two zones intersect to form the symbol of infinity with the athletes' village at the intersecting point. The Tokyo Olympics 2020 will feature 33 sports at 339 events. There is an addition of 5 more sports than Rio Olympics 2016, while skateboarding, surfing, sport climbing, and karate are the new 4 games to be added to attract the younger audience. Baseball for men and softball for women are due to return, which were last seen at Beijing Olympics 2008. There will be 15 more events held in the existing sports of swimming, archery, athletics, basketball, cycling, fencing, judo, table tennis, and triathlon. A total of 120 athletes from India will take part in 18 sports in the Games 2020. Fawad Mirza is going to be the first Indian athlete to compete equestrian in the Olympics. C.S. Bhavani Devi is the first Indian to qualify for the fencing in the Olympics. She will be competing in the women's event. Netra Kumanan is the first Indian female sailor to qualify for Olympics. Sajan Prakash became the first Indian swimmer to qualify automatically for the Olympics.